Okay guys, sorry, that video was taking long, but it's getting there. That clock guy, 4:32, waiting for this clock to chime. It's almost to the 6. So here we go guys, I'm gonna give y'all an overview of the clock. There's my overview. It's getting close guys, I'm gonna open the door so y'all can hear it. So here we go. It's gonna get close. Just wait for it. Sorry guys, it's taking a bit, hold on. There we go. Just had to fix it. There we go guys, okay. The pendulum's working, okay, there we go. What I'm doing is I'm setting the pendulum for y'all so I can hear it chime. So it's about to chime. There are people that call this clock like a ship's bell clock, and yeah. Anyways, guys, what's the clock that's about to chime? This is the American Eagle limited edition 200-year anniversary wall clock, and it's approaching. Wait, let me see if it's okay. Okay, guys, so it's almost there. It's okay. I'm just speeding up the. There we go, guys. Anyways, guys, that is it, and I'll show y'all the gong mechanism. Back here is the so I'm gonna stop the clock for y'all because I'm gonna show y'all the gong mechanism of how this clock works. So what it is there's a hammer. So right here, the tooth gear wheel. Okay, so there's gear wheels, and what I want y'all to see is back here, there's a little hammer, and it hits that gong, and that's what is creating the noise. So guys, this was the American Eagle 200-year anniversary limited edition wall clock. Thank you guys for watching.